Today I will give introduction of marketing communication. This is my part of series of lectures on marketing management. This is my lecture outline. First I will talk about communication in general. Then I will give definition and introduction of marketing communication. Then I will describe parties involved in marketing communication. Then I'll talk about marketing mix and various promotional activities. Then I'll talk about elements of the promotion mix. Then I'll talk about linkages between strategies. Then I'll talk about in detail stages in promotional planning and strategy. And finally, I will talk about hierarchy of effects model. So communication is a process in which there are two parties. One is the sender or source, the other is receiver. The source or sender uh, encodes the message and transmits it through a particular medium to the receiver, and receiver decodes the message and give feedback to the sender. So this is the communication in general. So the sources of misunderstanding in communication include source effect caused by reputation, for example, multiple transmitters, that is several channels used, decoding errors, selective perception and interpretation by receiver, communication noise, and inadequate feedback. So these are certain sources of misunderstanding. Then marketing communication. So marketing communication is the continuing dialogue between buyers and sellers in a marketplace. However, from marketers' perspective, the marketing communication is the process of presenting an integrated set of stimuli to a target with the intent of evoking a desired set of responses within the target market and setting up channels to receive, interpret, and act upon messages and identifying new communication opportunities. Marketing communication poses a special challenge to the marketing strategist for some unique reasons. It is the most visible clue next to product of marketers' intentions and commitment to consumers. It receives a relatively closer scrutiny from the policymakers and other consumer interest groups. So marketing communication is actually a challenging and important function of marketing. So parties involved in marketing communication, combination of marketers and buyer. The message may be either informational or persuasive. Then combination of marketers and market. This include other manufacturers, intermediaries, and opinion leaders, and non-profit and social organizations. So these are various parties involved in marketing communication. So this is the marketing mix and this is the promotion activities. So today we are talking about promotion, and these include advertising, personal selling, public relations, sales promotion, direct marketing, and digital marketing. I will talk about each one in detail in my other lectures. So let us see what all is included in advertising. So advertising include press, television, radio, cinema, telephone directory subscription, social media, bulk SMS, and outdoor activities and camps. Personal selling includes sales force. Public relations, I have a separate lecture. Sales promotion include consumer promotion, trade promotion, sales force promotion. Direct marketing include direct sales and lead getting. Digital marketing includes search engine optimization and search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. So these are various elements of promotion mix. The important one are advertising. So advertising is actually a paid form and it is non-personal. Publicity is non-paid form, and then personal selling is one-to-one relationship with customer, and sales promotion is a direct inducement which offers an extra value and incentive for the product to the sales force, distributors, or the ultimate consumers. So this is sales promotion. So these are the common, and in addition to these, there is digital marketing. So there is a linkage between promotional marketing and corporate strategy. So at the top, there is corporate strategy and objectives, then comes marketing strategy and objectives, and then comes marketing communication strategy and objectives, and these are linked with each other. So these are the various stages in promotional planning and strategy. I will talk about each one in detail. So let us enumerate it. One is situational analysis. First, this is first stage. Then second is establishment of objectives. The third is allocation of funds. Four is specification and management of program elements. Fifth is coordination and integration of efforts. Six is measurement of effectiveness of promotion activities. Then finally, evaluation and follow-up. So situation analysis include demand analysis, definition and identification of target market, competition, legal consideration, and internal organizational considerations. These two environment, one is external environment, the other is internal environment. An external environment include market demand, market competition, legal constraints on promotional activities. An internal environment include personnel, monetary, established policies and procedures, and operational distinctiveness. Then the second stage is establishment of objectives, and these include three, that is desired conditions to achieve in the consumer's mind, desired conditions to achieve in the consumer's behavior, desired conditions to achieve for corporate position. So first one is desired conditions to achieve in consumer's mind. It is include clarification of needs, increase in brand awareness, increase in product knowledge. Then improve the company image, improve the brand image, and increase brand preference. So these are actually desired conditions to achieve in consumer's mind. The second is desired conditions to achieve in consumers' behavior, stimulate search behavior in consumers, increase brand trial purchase, increase repurchases, increase voluntary promotion by consumers of the brand. Then the third is desired conditions to achieve for corporate position, improve the financial position of the firm, increase the flexibility of corporate image to facilitate future growth and or diversification, increase cooperation from the trade, enhance the company's reputation in financial community and among employees, increase the influence of public opinion concerning political issues related to corporate welfare, build up management ego. The third stage is allocation of funds, and this is a very important slide. So promotional budget techniques include arbitrary percentage of sales. We can set a percentage of sales as a budget for promotional activities. Competitive parity, we can compare from our competitors. Then all which we can afford, and objectives and tasks. On the basis of objective and tasks, we can set the budget. So these are the techniques for setting up promotional budget. Then modification of promotional budget, these include geographical consideration, product life cycle consideration, unanticipated contingencies. Then fourth is specification and management of promotion program elements. So for advertising, analysis of media resources, selection of advertising media, and message determination. I will talk about more on advertising in my other lecture. Personal selling, so analysis of resources, selection of motivation, deployment, compensation, and evaluation of salesperson. Then stimulation of reseller support, analysis of reseller resources, stimulation of performance, improvement and augmentation of performance, then sales promotion, then supplemental communication or public relations, and assessment of relevant publics, determination of media and messages. Then fifth is coordination and integration of efforts. So this is to achieve proper balance between program elements. We can schedule the execution and we can utilize our personal as well as outside services. So a promotion coordinator thus has to ensure that unless otherwise required, advertising should not overshadow personal selling for a given product. Sixth is measurement of effectiveness. So these are various measures. One is sales volume, the other is return on investment. Then we can combine these various parameters like lift in promoted item sales, halo, cannibalization, and pull forward. Then we can analyze the data, that is analytics. Then we can study the results of key performance indicators, which are decided during setting of objectives and goal, and customer satisfaction. We can measure these as effectiveness of our promotional activities. So this is last one is evaluation and follow-up. So we evaluate implementation and efforts of promotional strategy. We identify the gap between its objectives and results, and we plan action for its follow-up. So finally, hierarchy of effects model. The hierarchy of effect model consists of three major stages. One is cognitive stage, when the consumers become aware and they have a knowledge of our product. The affective stage, when consumers like, prefer our product, and behavioral stage, when consumer purchase our product. So let us see various promotion mix or promotion activities during various stages of hierarchy of effects model. So during the cognitive stage or awareness or knowledge stage, we can do advertising, public relations, point of purchase display. During the affective phase, that is liking, preference, conviction, we can use advertising, public demonstration, and we can take help of word of mouth. During the behavioral stage or purchase stage, we can do point of purchase displays, advertising, special offers, celebrity endorsement, direct mail, and word of mouth. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.